Here at Vienna Coffee Company, we believe that great coffee is an adventure. And I think one of the best parts of that adventure is the way you brew your coffee. So allow me to be your personal tour guide today as we explore the AeroPress. The AeroPress is a really interesting brewing device. It's essentially a large syringe. You can do all kinds of things with this brewer. You can brew a simple cup with just coffee and water, or you can be really complex. They even have a World AeroPress competition that takes place every year. This is not one of those recipes, but it's going to make a really good cup of coffee. So what do we need? We need our AeroPress. We need AeroPress filters. We need hot water. This has been heated to 200 degrees. We need a scale. This is going to weigh everything we're doing. I also have a built-in timer that allows me to time the brew. We need some great coffee. Today I'm using our Foothill Series Ethiopia Hambella. I've got 28 grams ground fine. The first thing that we want to do is to add some hot water to the device. This just warms it up. We'll take a paper filter, screw it onto the top, and just plunge that out. And that's just going to rinse out any paper taste from our filter. And we'll add our coffee using AeroPress's handy little funnel. So I'm going to zero my scale, and I'm going to start my timer when I start pouring. I'm going to pour 120 grams of water in. Now I'm going to take the AeroPress paddle, and I'm going to stir that, being careful to scrape up all of those grounds on the bottom. We're going to stir until about 30 seconds. Now we'll take our filter, screw the cap on tight. I'm going to push out a little bit of that air and swirl. At 1 minute, I'm going to flip this over onto my cup. And I'm going to gently push for about 25 seconds. Once I've gotten all of that air out, we're going to take our cup and set it on the scale. And now I'm going to add 100 grams of hot water. Now, that's the best part. A great cup of coffee. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, super rich and sweet. I love it. And that is your great coffee adventure.